All right, we're in Asakusa. This is the Asakusa Don Quixote, and just down this road there is something I want to show you guys. It's one of my favorite places to get like a little grab of meal here in Asakusa. So come with me, I'll show you what it is. Not that, that's a CBD market dispensary, not that weed shit. This is what I want to show you guys. Right on Koen Roku, we have this paku. This is paku, guys, and the food here is awesome. They put in bentos. They have a giant onigiri that's the size bigger than my hand, and it's a panda. Let me just show you what it is, and you can microwave it here. There you go. Bento, and it's a good price. It's about $5 for all that good stuff. Look at this. Look at that chicken. Look at that. Look at how big this panda thing is. And it's all of these you can get, and it's a great price, and all of this stuff. I'm gonna get some chicken skewers, and some pork. There's some fish, there's some all these cool stuff. There's even crab. I don't know what to get, but I think this is squid. I wonder if you could just get just rice. But yeah, paku here in Asakusa. I recommend it, highly recommend you get a bento here. Ooh. I want to actually just eat that chicken. Yeah, I want to eat that chicken. So they have these rice onigiris and this chicken. I'm just gonna go ahead and double fist it. One rice onigiri and one baked or barbecue chicken. Also, all the drinks here are 100 yen. So we're gonna go ahead and get that chicken, like I said, and the onigiri here at Paku in Asakusa, right near Don Quixote. One mizu. So we went and got the rice, one whole chicken, and one water. So that's about 650. Okay, that's cool. Let's go get this. See how it is. Fukuro nai? Yeah, I'll just carry. Arigato. Gomenasai. Microwave, daijoubu? Okay, we're gonna microwave this. Put it right over here first. And as you can see, you can microwave it. You throw it in. Something interesting. Just throw it in and then do 40 seconds. And it heats up the food. Very interesting street food here in Asakusa called paku right near Asakusa Donki. Yeah, I'm also not gonna get that giant panda because that's crazy. Alright, it's done. We're gonna go ahead and eat this. Alright, we got this big onigiri rice bowl. I'm not so sure if there was something inside. And of course we got a chicken thigh. And look, appetizing. It's like I'm in Disneyland. Oh my god, look at that. Look at how it's great glazing. Wow, barbecue. I'm not sure what this is, but it was the last one and looked like it was popular. This is paku. The last time I went to paku was with Jin, and we got karage, and we got all these types of onigiri stuff to eat. So all this was 500 yen, about $4 something. Pretty cool. I think there's plums inside. pickles, but that's really good. First time having this. The sourness of that matches the chicken. The chicken's like baked. Pretty good. Here, paku. Also, I love when the drinks are only like $1 yen or like 100 yen. So delicious. Look at this chicken. The skin is like barbecue. Oh man. It's like barbecue, man. I love it. Oh. This barbecue chicken, this like pickled seaweed onigiri goes so well together. Who would have thought these pickles? I don't know, they're pickled something. Wow. They match. The vinaigrette on this matches good. I'm not stressing when I tell you this barbecue. It's like baked or I don't know how they cooked it, but it's perfection. The skin, it goes so well. It has that little sweetness, and then when you bite into this vinegar onigiri, it like complements it so well. Also, if you're wondering where I'm eating, since it's on the street and street food, I'm legit eating on the street food here in Japan, Asakusa, Tokyo. Wow. You ever hear that saying that all the food or anything in Japan that you're gonna try is good? I was a little iffy with this pickled stuff, but it's right. The rumors are true. All the food in Japan is gonna taste good, unless you're a very picky eater. Wow. I would have not expected that. Good stuff from Paku.